Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. Want to clear browser history? Here's the solution. Firstly, open the Google Chrome app on your device. Now, look at the top right corner and click on the three dots line. Here, you will see a few options. Next, click on the history option, and the history will appear. After that, go back to the previous page. Then tap on the delete browsing data option. Here you will see a different options. Click on the downward arrow icon beside the time limit option. Again, a few options will appear. Select your preferred option. Now click on the more options and then select the remaining history data if required. Next, click on the delete data block. A pop-up will appear. Click on the delete to confirm. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.